Welcome back to Utah Adventures with Mike. We're back in 9 Mile Canyon looking at some of the older structures around the canyon. No petroglyphs on this video, just old buildings, old ranch houses. I believe this little building here was once a part of the town of Harper, which very little remains. There are quite a few old ranch buildings throughout the canyon. I only got video and photographs of a small handful of them. This large area here I thought was the remnants of Harper. Initially, found out that it's in the wrong location and it's just an old ranch operation. I haven't been able to find a lot of information on this little area here, except for the stone house on the other side of the road is the Winn Stone House, W-I-N-N. I believe some of the buildings may have been moved here after the Winns left, but I haven't been able to find a lot of information. Ranch life in the canyon likely wasn't easy, but life was simple. Water is always a concern in an area like this, and if you didn't respect the land, it had a way of teaching you. This side of the road is clearly marked no trespassing, so I didn't do any further exploring. I didn't try to get into the building or anything like that. Thank you for joining me again, and I'll see you out there.